I just don't think that it's suitable for me because I think flat irons are probably a lot better for me than the brush. Hi loves, bienvenidos, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Kiki, also known as Kriss. And if you're new, welcome. It's always good to have new supporters. So today I'm actually doing a review on a company called Liaboe. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I'm so sorry if I got that wrong. They actually sent this to me for review. It is a Misty hair straightener, which I am thankful for. I actually needed to purchase a hair straightener while I was in the States. But since they sent me this one, I was like, let me go ahead and give it a try. Now it is a brush straightener. I have it heating up right now because it has a mister, and it just takes some time to heat that up. It comes with this little pamphlet right here, and it shows you how to do everything and so on, which I'm going to show you. It also comes with this little bottle so you can add the water for the mister, the steamer. And then it comes with this nice velvet bag. It's very soft, so that way you can keep it safe, maybe hang it on clip or something, whatever you have going on, which I need to revamp my area with everything, jewelry, makeup, hair accessories. I need to revamp everything, which I'm going to be doing soon. So this is the straightener. I have it right now on 355 Fahrenheit, which is the highest one. I have the mister on, and it is locked, which is awesome because it automatically locks. This is the on and off button right here. This is how you can adjust it right here for the temperatures. This is where you would pop out. I'm gonna go ahead and do it real quick. You press this button right here to pop out this, and you add the water with a little bottle in here, and then it goes ahead and snaps back in. So we are going to see how this works out for my hair. I've never used a brush straightener, and it has like the softer bristles here and then like the harder part here, and it is heating up. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out and see how it works. This is the mister button. So the mist is on, I believe. Shows the mist on. I'm holding the button, and it shows that the mist is on. Okay, but it's locked, so that is why it's not going off. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush my hair out. Now it is a little bit pre-straightened because I do straighten my hair a lot, but I'm going to pop up and see how it works. I want to say that this is my first time using it, but I did use it one other time and I couldn't get the hang of it. So this is like a second impression, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a second try because I wanted to make sure that this review was, you know, the best that I gave. So I am going to go ahead and start straightening. So as you can see right here, it is wavy, and I'll put both sides here so you can see, because I've had it in a scrunchie, so you got like this wavy part right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how well this straightens. And this is on 355 Fahrenheit. The problem that I was having was I was not seeing any mist either, and I couldn't see the mist. It does straighten. I have a Conair brush, and a Conair straightener, and for that one is a flat brush, and I think for my hair that's what I need because it will in one stroke straighten this out. So I'm trying to see if maybe it's just my hair texture maybe it's because it's so thick, because it does straighten. That's my child in the back, I'm sorry about that. It does straighten, and it seems like a good hair straightener. It just takes a couple strokes to go ahead and get it really straightened out. And I'm having trouble with the mister part of it not spraying mist, because it does show that it sprays mist out onto your hair, and here is the area where it's supposed to shoot the mist when it closes, and I'm not getting that mist out. So I'm not sure what the problem is with that. See, like, it is straightening out. As you can see, it did straighten. It took a couple of tries, but all in all, it is a nice product. I just can't figure out the misting part as far as that goes. So let me try to turn it off and then turn it back on. And I turned the mister off, and now I'm turning the mist back on. And it does say it takes some time to warm up the mist, but I've had it sitting here warming up for some time, and I'm not able to get it working. So that is the difficult part. That is the part that I am having problems with, sorry. I mean, it is a good hair straightener. I just don't think that it's suitable for me, because I think flat irons are probably a lot better for me than the brush ones. And this is, like I said, this is like the first brush one that I've ever used. And I feel like maybe the flat irons are just better for me as far as hair straighteners go. So would I recommend this? I wish the straightener, the mist would work so I could get the full view on this and see exactly why. But like I said, I've heated it up, I've read the manual, and the mist is not working. And I don't know why. So would I recommend this? Maybe. It all depends. I'll let you know. I'll let it sit for a little while longer. I'll throw in there, I'm gonna let it sit for like another 20 minutes. I'm gonna see if maybe it just takes some more time for it to heat up the mist, and I'll pop that in there right now and let you know if the mist did work or not. But if I can't get the mist to work, I mean, I would not purchase this myself, and I'm sorry to the company, and I hope that you understand. This is just my honest review. It doesn't straighten like my Conair one does, and that really, I feel bad because, but I always give my honest review, and I wanted to give it a second try. This is my second attempt, and it just did not do it for me. So I do apologize to the company, but this was just not working out for me. I'm better off with flat iron. So thank you so much to the company though for sending this out for a review. I do appreciate it. I think that the mist thing needs to be addressed because, like I said, I've read through the manual and stuff, and it's just not shooting out any mist. I've been sitting here playing with it with you guys, and there is no mist coming out, and I still have the mister going. I've been straightening my hair for years, and it would usually straighten out really well, and it did not. So I'm so sorry. I mean, if you guys are interested in this product, I will leave the link down in the description below. You can take a look at that and see what you guys think about it. Thank you again to the company for sending it out. I do appreciate it. Again, here is the straightener, and I do appreciate it. If you like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified of future videos, and to hit that like button. I will be doing only honest reviews, whether the companies send me the products for free or not, and I hope you guys understand that. My reviews will be completely honest. So I hope you guys understand my honesty and that you guys respect that. So I'm more than willing to review your products, but just know that it's going to be an honest review. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Muchos besos. I love you guys. Bye.